Hi, this is Zin with Connected Widgets. Wanted to show you a demonstration of the final K-Mometer. What we got here is an iPhone 5S running the Connected Widgets app. Now let's go ahead and connect the K-Mometer to our Wi-Fi access point. So here we can see that K-Mometer is starting the connection process. Once it has completed, the red LED will stop flashing and it will be solid red, as you can see below. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and discover it. Alright, so there we found it. And what we're going to do is go ahead and set up a temperature setting. And I'm going to say 85 degrees. And say test. Now we're going to click on the K-Mometer button and see that because we have the temperature probe connected to it, it's currently measuring the room temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am going to go ahead and see that my alarm is triggered and wait for it until it hits the target temperature of 85 degrees. There it is. I got my alert. My target temperature has been reached. And that's it. Other features of the app include a cooking history, so I can go ahead and see all of the things that I've cooked before. And also there's a device management feature for doing firmware over-the-air upgrades. So it's a quick preview of the app. You can also, of course, select different presets for different kinds of meats you want to cook. And that's it. It's a quick demonstration of the final K-Mometer.